I know why you're here tonight. You're here to hear my review on the A Year Jordan 3. No, not really. I know exactly why you're here. You're here to find out who won that giveaway. And now we have 2 winners this time. So I can't wait to show you. Y'all ready? Let's go!
You see the drip, yeah, I fit it up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bug.
Good evening, it's your boy, J-Soul. And I've been gone for a while, but I'm back. Between the family life and the work life, I just haven't had much time to produce YouTube content. So I'm happy to be back tonight to show you exactly who won this giveaway. And like I mentioned, there are 2 winners this time. Before I announce who won the giveaway, first things first, please, if you're not a subscriber, tap that subscribe button and ring that notification bell and help your boy out. Tap like as well while you're at it. Hitting like helps your boy out with the algorithm. So I'm going to thank you in advance for your support. Also, I've said this so many times at this point, there's only one J-Soul account on Instagram. It is _ JSOLE _. Be careful of fakes, and remember, if you don't see this face telling you won on YouTube, it's a fake. This is the only way that I announce who won these giveaways. Now, before I announce the winners, it's very important that I give you tips on how to win these giveaways, because if you're not following the tips, it doesn't really matter that you're entering at all. So let me give you a peek behind the curtain to help you win these giveaways going forward. Step 1, make sure you're following all the rules. And in the case of this giveaway is subscribing to the 2 YouTube channels that are listed. The next step, it's an Instagram step. It's making sure that you're following all of those accounts. Thirdly, make sure that you like the posts. Number 4, comment your desired prize. So in the past, we would have you comment your shoe size and you would just spam the post. But now what we're having you do is comment what you want. It's either the shoes or the money. And there's no wrong answer, of course. I don't discriminate. Whatever you want is whatever you want. So comment the shoes or the money and then list exactly your location, like your city and state. Now, please pay special attention to this. The bonus. The bonus is extremely important because the bonus is what separates one entrant from the other. So you want to make sure you're taking advantage of the bonus, which is saving the posts. You want to save each and every post. Save as many as you can. I mean, some days you probably just won't have time to do it, but the people that do it the most are the ones that are in contention for winning the prize at the end of this giveaway. And that's just always how it works. Last but not least, it makes a huge difference if you are supporting the host. So if I'm seeing you on my page and on the pages of all the hosts, if I'm seeing you in the comments, if I see you in the lives, if I see you going above and beyond to really compete to separate yourself, that's usually what I'm using as a differentiator when deciding who wins this giveaway and who wins all of them. Now that I've gone through those helpful hints, it's time to announce the winners. First off, the winner of the sneakers or the money is They Call Me Waz. Great job. You worked your butt off. You earned this one. Now, let's announce the winner of the Gold Standard Approved gift box. And the winner is John Hobbs TB. Congratulations. That's a dope gift box. Cannot wait to get my hands on one. Alright, y'all, this was a very quick one. Thank you for rocking with your boy. Thank you for tapping like. Thank you for hitting that sub button. And I appreciate all that you do. We will see you the very next time. Peace and love.